friends, in continuation with the palpitation therapeutics, you must understand, first of all, when you're prescribing for symptoms of palpitation, you must understand every remedy, action, whether it is affecting the heart or not. It is not necessary that the remedy will affect the heart and because of which it was palpitation. Symptom may be there, functional disturbance may be there, and that will give rise to a good symptom of palpitation so that you can prescribe. I have told you some drugs which you have never thought in palpitation. So in continuation, I'll add one more drug, that is magnesium muriatica. Now in magnesium muriatica, palpitation and cardiac pain while sitting. Patient बैठा है, डॉक्टर साहब देखो कितनी अभी भी घबराहट हो रही, and suddenly you feel यार go and do the ECG, go to the echo. नहीं. If the patient is telling you palpitation while sitting or aggravation when moving also, मतलब बैठा है तो भी palpitation और चल रहा है तब भी palpitation बढ़ जाता है, then you must think about magnesium muriatica. Only one symptom I have seen in practice, that's why I am telling you this. Magnesium muriatica, palpitation and cardiac pain while sitting. Normally you don't have cardiac pain while sitting, but if you have cardiac pain while sitting also, then you must think of magnesium muriatica and aggravation when moving about. That is magnesium muriatica, only concern of palpitation, what I have seen in a practice. Next drug is muriatic acid. Now in muriatic acid, I will tell you a case. It had come to me, डॉक्टर साहब देखो बोले मेरे यहाँ पे हाथ लगाओ, and he used to touch, take my hand and touch on the face. देखो कितना खट 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 बज रहा है, ऐसा लगता है हार्ट बज रहा है यहाँ पे ऐसा. I was surprised कि हार्ट का सेंसिंग यहाँ पे कैसे आ रहा है. मतलब I thought first the patient maybe he has thought कि हार्ट यहाँ बज रहा है, but when I touched the face, you could see the palpitation here, everywhere in the face. Now this symptom is a very typical symptom which I had to read in Matermedica. Is there any symptom like this? I found this symptom in muriatic acid. In muriatic acid is written in a Matermedica. Palpitation of heart is felt on the face. See, if you study Matermedica in depth, you will never miss a symptom. That's why I always tell, keep reading every day the Matermedica. You will keep getting more and more symptoms, more and more things to understand the patient. So, if the palpitation of heart is felt on the face, you must think about muriatic acid. Rest, I am not telling about muriatic acid, the typhoid stage, the weakness of muriatic acid, how it goes down in the bed. That is something different. Only palpitation, that is palpitation is felt in the face. That is important in muriatic acid. Next drug, spigelia. In spigelia, the palpitation is violent, visible and audible. These three words you have to remember in spigelia. Violent, visible, audible. It is violent, you can see, you can hear. This is the palpitation of spigelia. If you can hear it, then it is very important, that is spigelia. From least motion, थोड़ा भी पेशेंट चल लिया है, उसको palpitation शुरू हो गया. थोड़ा भी झुक गया, उसको palpitation शुरू हो गया. That is spigelia. From least motion and from bending forward and systolic blowing at the apex. There is a systolic blowing at the apex of spigelia patient. So remember only these three marking symptoms of spigelia: visible, violent, audible. From least motion, from bending forward, and systolic blowing at the apex. This you should remember in spigelia. Confirmed in practice, and you will get results. That is because I have seen also in my practice the same symptoms, getting good results. Next drug, Spongia tosta. Now in Spongia tosta, apart from the cough symptoms, you must have the dry cough and all. That is there in Spongia tosta. But now, how is the palpitation of Spongia tosta? In Spongia tosta, palpitation is violent with pain and gasping respiration. Now imagine Spongia tosta, gasping respiration because of palpitation. Now if you have a gasping respiration, then it becomes an emergency condition. You have to go to the doctor. But if you have Spongia tosta, just give one dose. Because I have told you. And see the results. within a few minutes, within 5 minutes, you will get the result of spongia tosta. This is spongia tosta's miraculous action. There is violent pain and gasping respiration awakens suddenly after midnight. Now my friends, awaken suddenly after midnight with suffocation and great anxiety. If the patient wakes up because of sharp pain left side of the chest with coldness of extremities, I have told you Lilium tigrinum. But spongia tosta, violent pain and gasping respiration awaken suddenly after midnight with suffocation and great anxiety, then you must think about spongia tosta. Because after midnight, if the patient tells you 12 से 2 बीच में तकलीफ होती थी मेरे को, then we always think about arsenic. Don't always give arsenic after midnight, midnight aggression arsenic. No. Think about spongia tosta also. It will give good results. It is also indicated in valvular insufficiency. And in spongia tosta, complaints aggravated before or during menses. That is spongia tosta, my friends, for you. A very important drug. I have prescribed this drug and I have got results within 5 to 10 minutes. In case of emergency, so when this violent palpitation, suffocation wakes the patient, especially after midnight, give spongia tosta, 1 dose, 1 ml, and you will see results within 5 minutes. I have seen in my practice. And if you give results in such a critical condition, the faith develops of the patient in you and your practice grows gradually then. Because faith is very important. If the patient has faith in you, he will never leave you. That means half the battle has won. He already believes that you can cure him. That means half the battle is won, and then prescribe a Similimum and you will cure the patient. That's what I have seen in my practice. Next drug, I'll end with a very rare drug I have seen in my practice, and that is Tabacum. If you have heard my previous videos, I have told this in comparison with one drug. That is violent palpitation when lying on the left side. The patient will come and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब जब मैं लेफ्ट साइड पे सोता हूँ मेरे को बहुत घबराहट होती है, एंड जब मैं राइट साइड पर जाता हूँ मेरी घबराहट कम हो जाती है. So in Tabacum, remember only this symptom: violent palpitation when lying on left side. The patient is better when lying on the right side. So this is about Tabacum. One more drug that comes to my mind is Natramur. Now Natramur, I have in fact told you in the previous videos, in Natramur the pulsation is important. In Natramur the heart's pulsation shakes the whole body. पेशेंट हल जाता है पूरा, इस तरह हार्ट के पल्सेशन से पूरा बॉडी शेक हो जाता है. One more drug we have to compare with this is Spigellia. So heart's pulsation shakes the whole body. Remember Natramur and remember Spigellia. Now, if this pulsation has come, I have to see one more drug for only pulsation, that is Lilium tig. In Lilium tig, pulsation is felt all over the body, full and distended, feeling as if the blood would burst through the vessels. उसको लगता है कि पूरा बॉडी में जो जहाँ आर्टरीज है पूरा इतना पल्सेशन है, इतना ब्लड भर के पूरा फट के बाहर निकल जाएगा. दिस इज द पल्सेशन ऑफ Lilium tigrinum. I told you palpitation in the previous video, but I'm just adding one more thing: pulsation. So the pulsation in Lilium tig, the patient feels that the blood will flow through the arteries and will burst. With this symptom, always remember one drug, that is Aesculus hypocastinum. Aesculus hypocastinum also the same symptom, that is feeling as if blood would burst through the vessels. Lilium tig and Aesculus. So my friends, a very rare therapeutics I have told you about palpitation. Go home and study. See the video, like the video and share the video. Thank you.